Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do lesson number 26 of your English grammar, and the name of the topic is essay writing. So, the topic is essay writing. So, children, in essay writing, we have in this term we have two types of essay, that is imaginative and narrative. So, children, essay is a written composition which gives expression to one's own personal ideas. So it can give information on any given subject. So in this term we have imaginative and narrative essay. So narrative essay narrates events, visit, journey, sports, events, stories, legends and biographies. And imaginative essay deals with like wishes, life story of things, adventures of some animal or human. Now children, we have to keep in mind that an essay should be organized in a manner. Like an essay should have an introduction. The body of the essay should include some supporting paragraphs, and in the end it should have a conclusion. So I have few examples over here of imaginative and narrative essay. In examination, you could get any essay you can get in the examination. So these are just the samples, right? Imaginative. First is if I were a bird. Then if I were the principal of my school. Now you have to deal with your wishes. Or if you were a bird, what is your thinking about that? What is your wish about that? You have to write it. Like if I were a millionaire means a rich person. Then if I won the lottery, how I will spend that money if I won this lottery. Then if I were the monitor of the class. Okay. Then we have second type is narrative essay. Now in this type of essay, you have to narrate your event, you can say journey, your visit, or any biography or any story. Like we have few examples: a visit to a hill station. Now it could be a visit to a circus also, a fair also, any historical place also. You have to give views about that, narrate those events. Then it could be value of games, value of time, then good manners, value of good manners, then how I spend my leisure time or summer vacations, then journey by train. You can narrate this event, journey by train. Then it could be the house on fire. You can narrate this event. It happened near your house or near your locality, so you can write your views. Now children, first of all I'll tell you about this narrative essay. Like it could be good manners. So I'll give you hints that how you will write an essay on good manners, value of good manners or good manners. So first of all, you have to write about it like good manners are not born with us. We have to learn good manners, right? Then you can write that good manners make a man. They are the person having good manners is admired by all like that person. Then you can differentiate between a cultured and uncultured man. Then you can say that if a person is blessed with good manners or is having good manners, it brings popularity and success. Then a person having good manners, he or she should give respect, never hurt. We should never hurt the feelings of others. We should be selfless. Then you can say one must be very courteous, polite. And a person possessing good manners, he or she never lose his or her temper in any case. In no case one should lose his or her temper. Then you should be respectful to elders and affectionate to younger ones. So you can give that good manners are equally important in social life also, and if the person is having all these good manners, these are the ornaments of a gentle person, gentleman, right? You can give about good manners, right? Now second example is of this imaginative essay. Like here we have to deal with wishes, life stories of things, adventures, right? So I have example over here of this narrative, this imaginative essay, that if I were a millionaire. Now children, everybody know a person, he or she wants to be a millionaire. To be a millionaire, it can be anybody's dream. So you have to write your views that if by God's grace you got chance, you got million of rupees, how would you spend those? How would you spend that money, right? So you will write that I would spend a part of money on personal uses, your personal desires, wishes. You will fulfill your wishes or your personal use. You will use that money. That then you will tell that you will finish your education by using that money. After finishing my education, then you will you can write that I would like to visit. You can give the name of a place where you want to go, right? Then you can write that with that money I would like to make a big bungalow. Then you would like to offer gifts to your near and dear ones. Even we can write that I would like to help in orphanage also. I would like to help the poorest children to get education, right? So you can write that you want to use your wealth in most judiciously, and that for positive purposes. That for positive purposes for you, your family, and others. Now here you will describe that how you will use that money if you were a millionaire. I hope you have understood and you are able to write about this narrative and imaginative essay. So I have a few examples I have given you. So children, keep practicing, keep writing, read more books, read more essay given in your books also, in some other books also, and try to write in your own words. Keep practicing. God bless you all. Thank you.